Hi everyone! Want to make your everyday clips go viral? Today I'll show you how to blend real life footage with trending audio to create a scroll stopping content. And here's how to do it. First, record your real life footage. This could be anything: a walk, a reaction, or behind the scene, or something funny. Keep it raw and natural. Then open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon and select Upload to import your video. Then tap Add Sound. Then go to the trending and choose the popular audio that matches your vibe. It's either funny, dramatic, or emotional. Then here you can use the Adjust Clips tool to sync the key moments for your footage with beats or punchline in the audio. You can also add a text overlays or captions to guide the viewer or add context. It makes the video more relatable. And don't forget your hashtags. Use the mix of trend plus niche ones like this. And that's how to mix a real life moment with trending sounds like a pro. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe and tap the bell icon for more TikTok editing tips. Thanks for watching.